Pi International Education is dedicated to providing the best test preparation services for standardized exams. Students who prepare for their exams with us follow a systematic schedule of lectures and practice questions designed to cover all areas of the test. Our video lectures introduce the key techniques for effective test preparation, and our expert tutors are available to explain particular problem areas and to solve difficulties encountered in classwork or homework. Our programs are structured yet flexible. Students proceed through the course at their own pace. The courses are designed to be completed in 12 weeks but can be made shorter or longer depending on what the student needs, and we can arrange for the entire course to be completed online. We place particular emphasis on building a strong foundation in vocabulary, grammar rules, and math concepts. We also train students in effective essay writing. And finally, students are given a series of mock tests at the end of the course. Given our achievements, experience, and dedication, Pi International Education should be your obvious destination for all of your educational needs. Please visit www.mypibd.com and check out our e-learning platform located conveniently at Dhanmondi, Siddeshwari, Banani, and Uttara.